Okay, so we have this. But for now, text the menu is not really showing, but since we have not started that yet, so don't worry about that. For now, let's focus on the background, which has come up here and looking nice, right? Yeah. So the next thing I want to do is that this background is too sharp. Like I need something like an overlay on this background to make it kind of the background should cool down. Like should not be as sharp as this. So that's what I want to apply now, which I'm going to apply the body. Okay, let's see. Now it's all black, right? This has covered the main background image because it's black. So I'm going to apply the opacity on this black. The background can really come out a little bit. Simple thing I can do is just the moment I move my mouse on this color review comes out and I can just drag down this a little bit. Okay, so I guess it's kind of cool, right? If you're not okay with that, you can as well still drag it down and do the best you think it's okay for your own output. All right. So the next thing I want to do is I want to start the header. With the next thing I have here, the header. Okay, so this is the header background, which the header itself, I just style right now. So I guess it's kind of looking better, right? So the next thing I want to style is going to be the navbar. The next thing I want to style is the navbar. So I'm going to copy that. Since it's a class, I need to use the period. So I keep that. So okay, so this gave me this, and yeah, and right now I have the icon here, which is why this is at the center right now. So let me just style the menu so I can put it on hidden for now. And the ID I call it is toggle button, so that's what I'm going to style. Now for me to style an ID, it's going to be an hash, not treasure this time. So looking at it now, it makes sense, right? So right now, I don't want to have this icon to display here right now. Simply just apply the display to be none. So yeah, no more displaying again. So I have the menu to make use of the entire space here. Okay, so now I want to style the logo itself, which the logo is under the navbar. Let's confirm that. I have the class logo, which is under, or let me say, which is inside. Yeah, inside the navbar. So So I have this, which is making sense. So the next thing I want to do is I want to style, the moment I move my mouse on that logo, I want an effect to happen, which is a mouse over. So I can repeat this. Okay, so now the my mouse over, I have that that filling, right? It changed to red, but I need something, a transition that probably is scaling transition. Yeah, is what I have applied. So here I'm going to change the scale here for now. 1.05. So I'm going to be back. I'm going to come back here and apply the transition. Let's apply 0.2. So the effect should be easing. So that's the filling. So the moment I move my mouse on it, it scale out. So the mouse is out of the logo area, it is in to that scale. So that's the effect. So the next thing I want to work on now is the menu itself. So and the menu is still inside the navbar, so I can still reference to the navbar, then reference to the menu. So I'm going to be applying the word space here. The word space is just to space out words, like give it a space, which we don't use this often, but I just want to apply it in this video so you guys can see the effect of word spacing. It really makes sense. Okay, so now I have that space around the menu. The next thing I want to do is I want to style the anchor inside the menu. Okay, so I have it like this. So the next thing I want to work on is the mouse over for the anchor tag.